Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Murrell Farms. So, been a while, but finally got the 2 balers brought over here. I still got to get them cleaned up and serviced. We did finish planting cotton finally. I got the planter all cleaned out, all the good stuff done to it. Got it ready to roll for milo. I got 450 acres to plant a milo, and it'll be done. The barn's done. The barn, I'm waiting for them to spray foam it and waiting to get electrical before I start doing a whole bunch of stuff to it. So that's really what I'm waiting for over there. And then insurance guy came and looked at my Dryland cotton. I'm about to show you. There's not really no cotton grown, but everything else is growing on it. So you can see just a little bit growing up here and there. And if it would have came up better, I would have sprayed this so it would be nice and clean filled. But since it did not come up good whatsoever, I knew it was gonna get taken out considering we've had little to no rain this year. So we're gonna bring the plow over and plow that all up and get it nice and clean. And the plan for that place here at my house, I'll call it my place. So there at my place, it's the plan is I'm gonna plant it in wheat, hopefully get me a little cover crop going, and plant her in corn and cotton again next year. Hopefully we'll get more rain next year and it'll come up nice and neat and be good to go. And this truck was also in the shop for a week or 2. So I'm just gonna get everything cleaned off of it, get it nice and clean again. And I did finally get my new flatbed. It's good. But right here, I bought me a little organizer to put on my wrenches and my sockets and all of that good stuff, so I know where it's at. And I know what I got. I just haven't had time to put it on just yet, so. But as of now, we are going to pick my brother up. He's getting the tractor moved. So we're gonna go and pick him up and take him back to his pickup, and then I'll probably get on the plow, and he has some stuff to go do. So I'll get on the plow, and then later today we'll get the planter moved to the field we need to move it for milo. Probably start planting milo tonight or in the morning, and I'll have it done in 2 days. And that'll be it for milo harvest, or milo planting, I would say. Hopefully. Unless some other people come. But we still got a lot of cane to do, so. We do have the drill hooked up. We planted some cane behind some failed cotton, irrigated cotton earlier this last week. So. I had to come. I've been having that's my tractor, the 8360R, and I've been having some problems with the front tires going low, and they can't find the leak on the tire. So it's coming and making sure it was aired up. So we are planning on putting that tractor on our 36-foot sweep plow to start getting some of this stuff plowed up. So we'll see. Got my brother moved. I came over here and looked at a field they plowed when I was gone. See how good that plow was doing, seeing if we need to change anything. Looks like it did just fine to me, so. Yeah, now I'm gonna go get on the big tractor and go plow for a little bit until somebody else comes and gets on it, and then I'm gonna get the planter moved over. We'll see how that goes. So, we got on the plow. It's a 49-foot roller cone sweep plow with the bigger sweeps. Not too bad. On the T9 New Holland. Plowing up. This was felled cotton also. So, plowing it up. That's what the insurance man told us, so that's what we are doing. It's not pushing it too hard, going about 7 miles an hour, using 68%, 69% of its power, so we're not working it too hard. And it is plowing awfully good. This field did have cows on it. We took the cows off and sprayed it to plant cotton, and as you can tell, it is still way weedy, so we're plowing it up. So since the cows were on it, we didn't plow it. It is kind of hard, but seems to be plowing just fine. Guess I'll put it on in if something else happens. I don't know. So, here we are on the tractor. She starts up nice. So we are at a diesel. Our main diesel tank's right there. So I'm gonna just fold it up and go get diesel over there, so I don't have to go find out where the diesel tank's at and all that good stuff. So it says I have 10 gallons left. I hope I don't use 10 gallons between here and there. I guess we'll find out. Sure does take a long time for this plow to fold up. This is a plow I bought back in February. I haven't used it very long, but it's been a good plow so far. We still got some little tweaking to do here and there, but so far so good. But I'll get this folded up, head over there and get diesel. Getting her filled up. It takes a while. It holds 350 gallons, so I'll be here for a while. Well, finally got filled up with diesel. Back here at the field. Shouldn't take me too long to finish this. Got to go over there, do 45 acres or so, and then it'll be a long drive, about an hour or so, to the next field, and that one's 260. Yeah, 260. And then we'll go to my place and plow that up, since it's coming up with a whole bunch of volunteer milo. Then we got a whole bunch of other fields after that, but that's the plan for now. And then hopefully tomorrow I'll be back on the planter planting milo. We'll see. I might still be on this plowing while somebody else plants. I don't know yet. We'll just have to find out. So yeah, we're just trucking now. We got almost a full tank of diesel. It should be enough to, until I get back over there to my house, closer to the diesel tank that's over there. So, but man, it is plowing good. So I'll see y'all here after a while.